Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to show you how to do our very popular ceramic round ornament.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with our ceramic ornament that we do offer. So let's get started.
Okay, so we did our design with Photoshop and we printed with our Sawgrass printer. We did gang up the images so we could get more than one image on a page, therefore utilizing the entire sheet. But in this case, we are going to trim it up and just do one.
And note these are two-sided, so you can do the other side after the first side cools. You can let that transfer.
All right, we're going to center it on there, and then we are going to tape it with our thermal tape. There you go.
Okay, so we are going to be using our Hot Tronics Fusion today, placing a piece of silicone, and you can also use Teflon on our bottom platen to protect our platen. We are going to be pressing with transfer face down. In certain circumstances, you can press with the transfer face up as well. We are going to be using a foam pillow to assist with the pressure on this item. We don't have any ink that's over on our image. It's kind of a perfect image on here, so we're not going to use a silicone. Otherwise, I always recommend to use a silicone sheet on top of the foam just to protect against any ink. And we are going to be using our silicone wrap for hard surfaces. We have cut this wrap down. Normally it is 18 inches by 22 inches. So they can be cut down. And then we are covering again with a silicone sheet, or again, you can use Teflon. Pressing today at 385 degrees, 140 seconds at a light to medium pressure. Okay, so here we go. And then we're gonna remove all of our layers immediately, as this is a hot peel. And there you go. You now have one personalized ornament.
Make sure to check our website out for all of the templates and pressing instructions.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.